Welcome back to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. And right now we're going to be talking about the crash test score of the new Maruti Suzuki Swift, which, to put it simply, is disappointing. Let's go. In the frontal offset crash conducted by Global NCAP, the new Swift scored a disappointing 2 stars for adult occupant safety. For your reference, the Volkswagen Polo scored 4 stars in this same test. Also, the Vitara Brezza scored an appreciable 4 out of 5. The driver's chest protection was rated as marginal, whereas it was poor for the driver's feet. This is the primary reason for the low score. However, the test showed that protection for both the driver's and co-driver's head and neck were good. Overall, it scored a poor 7.08 out of 17 for adult occupant safety. Second, Global NCAP says that the India spec Swift does not have 4-channel ABS, which was also the case with the Volkswagen Polo. Hit pause and take a quick look at how the Swift stacks up against the Polo that was crash tested way back in 2014. Global NCAP rated the body structure to be unstable. This means that the car is likely to perform worse in crashes above the test stipulated 64 km per hour. Again, that Maruti Suzuki's Brezza scoring much better makes the Swift's performance not only seem shocking but also unforgivable. In terms of child safety, the Swift managed to score 16.23 out of 49, getting a total of 2 out of 5 stars. NCAP says overall protection offered to the child is low. The score is definitely disappointing, and Global NCAP says Maruti Suzuki should provide side and curtain airbags as well as ESC, at least as an option to Indian buyers. These features have helped the Euro spec Swift score 3 stars in the Euro NCAP. Well, that's it for this video. Drop in your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.